In this video, we're going to solve the following quadratic inequality for x. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 15 is greater than 0. So the first thing we have to do when we're solving quadratic inequalities is solve the quadratic equation. So here we're going to solve x squared plus 2x minus 15. Instead of is greater than, we're just going to solve it equal to the right hand side, which is equal to 0. So when we're solving a quadratic equation, we factorize the expression and we still have it equal to 0, so we can use the null factor law. So x squared plus 2x minus 15 factorizes, so we have x as the first term in each bracket, which gives the x squared, and then we need two numbers that multiply together to give negative 15 and add together to give positive 2. So if we use the numbers positive 5 and negative 3, that would expand to give x squared plus 2x minus 15. So next we can use the null factor law, which will state x plus 5 could equal 0, or x minus 3 could equal 0. So if we subtract 5 from both sides of this, we get x is equal to negative 5. And if we add 3 to both sides, over here we get x is equal to 3. So that will be the coordinate 5, 0 and the coordinate 3, 0, which are the two x-intercepts on the graph. So next up, we graph the equation, or the quadratic, and we mark on the intercepts that we just found, which were negative 5, 0 and 3, 0. And next we need to work out for what values of x is x squared plus 2x minus 15 greater than 0 or above the x-axis. So we can see that that is true over here, where x is greater than 3, and over here, where x is less than negative 5. So these are the values for which x squared plus 2x minus 15 are greater than 0. So in set notation, the solution is x is an element of, and we have it going from negative infinity all the way up to negative 5, but not included, so we use the round brackets, and we union that. So we include a second interval, which goes from 3 not included up to infinity not included. In set notation, we have the set of x such that x is less than negative 5, union with x is greater than 3. So that's the set notation, which describes the same interval as the green circles that we've got on our graph.